filters in line, right? And this pump, and those pumps as well, are creating high pressure to pump the water through pipes, pushing the water through the filters. And inside this filter, on the external side, the water goes with this high pressure and it flows on a spiral direction, creating a vibration in between the layers. In this side, the viruses, bacteria and the salt is separate, and on the other side, through this small pipe, the fresh and permeate water comes. But anyways, I will show you a very short video on the conference room where it explains much better and perfect how does the reverse osmosis system works. Then these filters needs to be replaced every 5 months as an average. I'm waiting now for the company that comes to replace the filters to talk with them, because they have mentioned last time that they are reusing these filters, but I don't know the way they are doing. I'm waiting for them to figure out and to know it. And as the waste that it creates is a lot, of course, because 6 of these on each of the pipes, 30 of these on each module, so it's a lot of waste that this system produces. So I will try to know how they reuse the filters. But anyways, the amount of water, the daily average amount of water that Torre Santa requires is about 300 cubic meters, and each of these models have a capacity to filter and produce 350 cubic meters, each of them. And again, as with the pumps, we have 3, because we always need a backup. So we are always fully covered in case one of the models is out of service. This pump and this one, those are brand new pumps. This one was placed last week here. And then probably in a few months of next year we're going to replace this, the old one, the last of the old pumps. But to be honest, there is not a big difference in between the efficiency. They are almost the same. But these ones are smooth, are more silent, and everything is compact. As you can see, in this one we have 3 parts. And on the brand new ones, everything is together and is compact. So of course, this is a piston system pump, and this one is just a fan that is moved with the engine inside all together. The pressure that these pumps are creating is 55 bars. This pressure is the pressure that is used to pump and push the water through the filters. Underneath here, there is a huge tank where we are storing all the fresh water that is produced after the osmosis, the reverse osmosis process. Then there is a small room right next to this one where all the water gets the treatment of minerals and a small amount of chlorine as well, with this chemical process to finally have the fresh and drinkable water. And from here, all the fresh water is distributed all around the resort. Another thing is, this is one of the points on the resort where the energy consumption is higher, and this is due to the high pressure that we need to create with the pumps. So this high pressure requires a lot of energy as well. So this, together with the swimming pools, the water center, and the laundry service, where we also need a lot of energy and temperature, are the 4 places where the energy consumption is higher. Maybe I'm missing some other place, but these 4 places are those places where the energy consumption is high. Questions?
How about cleaning the tank where the fresh water is stored?
Say again, sorry.
Sorry, the tank where the fresh water is stored. That needs to be cleaned.
Yeah.
How's that process?
I'm pretty sure they are doing once a year. They are doing a deep cleaning, and I don't know if they do something else in the meantime. I don't, but at least once a year there is a deep cleaning procedure. That's for sure. I'm not really sure if they really need to do it with more frequency, but at least once a year. Yeah.